Hi, my name is Bruna. I'm from Aurora, Portugal, and I'm going to show you what we received today. So, today we received Alstroemeria charm coral, and they're really cute because they're very tiny. Delphinium energy blue, very cute. We got some anemones. So, we also got these greens to fill in the bouquets. Really cute. These ones also to fill in. These ones are my favorite. Astrantia. I love them. And Ranunculus. We're almost done. So we got these Eustomas, Clematis. Also, Astilbe, this Lilium, they're very cute, very tiny. And now to finish big time, we have these Phalaenopsis. Very cute.